Hey guys, Jay here and welcome to another cosplay unboxing review, whatever you want to call it. So I've got a big box here from China that has a costume in it, and I'm going to be reviewing it and opening it today. So this is going to be Sesshomaru or Sesshomaru, I don't know how to pronounce his name half the time, from Inuyasha. So we're doing this as a cosplay group, Atlas and I. Atlas is going to be actually Inuyasha. He's in the middle of making it. Whatever, but I had to buy mine because there was no way I was going to be making that. The main problem was the on his shoulder and sleeves, he's got some patterns that I just can't do. So I decided to just buy it and hope for the best. Now the problem here, and the thing that I'm really hoping didn't happen, is what happened with my Sora cosplay. Now that I talked about also a little bit in my cosplay buying guide, but I said I wouldn't talk really much about my experience. I can still talk about that now that I have even more information, but this is from them. They're the only ones who had a picture of an accurate one. So we're gonna see if this works out, and I don't even know where to open this from. I can see here, it's hard to see, but there's like an indentation in the tape. I'm assuming that's because it's folded over, and that means that this part will open up. Nope, not a chance. That's a fold in the box itself. I have no idea where the top or bottom of this box even is. Let's see, here's some loose tape over here. Let me see if I can rip it at this point. Yeah, like that. Oh my god. They made this like impossible to get into. Yeah, let's rip the box now. Okay. Nothing for a few inches here. Be careful if you do this. This is a really good way to cut yourself. It's working. See what I can grab out of here. Oh no, this is just, okay, yeah, so there's this. That doesn't look good. There's some, like, I don't know what this is for. All right. That looks like the bulk of it, so whatever. And then, don't know exactly what parts that is. I can see sort of, but not really. Wow, their armor thing really sucks. I might have to remake this. This is definitely, yep, this is all cracking and breaking and garbage. Can't use it. There's a lot of this fluff here. I'm wondering if that's supposed to go inside the, they gave me 3 things of, I have no idea what's going on here. What the hell's that? I don't remember that being part of it. Whatever. But here's the chest piece that looks like it's gonna Velcro on. Not that bad. This actually looks pretty decent, so I won't have to redo that at least. I'll just have to get the fuzzies off of it. So, and then bubble wrap. So yeah, I'm wondering if that stuff goes inside the fur because the fur is supposed to be really puffy. So let me actually see if I can open this. Just a bunch of, what? Why is it like, I don't know if you can see this very well, but it's just like a little patch of, yeah, they're just little patches of fur. I don't know why. And they're falling apart, so that's definitely not good. This is horrible. This is supposed to go over the shoulder, but yeah, and I don't know how well you can see it. I'll probably show close up, but it's cracking really bad, so can't even use that. All right, let's look at the OB, I guess. It ain't horrible, so there's that. Looks like, okay, so it Velcros in the back. I can always take where it's behind the bow here and shorten it if I have to. So that's not a big deal. Let me actually try this one on, because I can do that right here. And, well, it's a little big, but I can work around it. That's not a big deal. This was the biggest one that I had a problem with, was if this looked right or not. And honestly, it's not great. I think it's, is it missing an entire one of these. Like, I think it has 2 of these, right? I don't know, I'll have to look again. What's this? No, it looks like the furry thing's in here. I have no idea what these are for. I think they accidentally put those in. Oh, this just goes around the waist, I believe. And then looks like, so these look like exactly what clear bra straps look like. And they even have those little hooks. I don't know what they're for yet, but I'm gonna put these up over here so that I can see them. There's a thing of tape right there, and sitting right inside it. So I don't think these are being used for anything, these little fuzz balls. And I'm gonna put all of this back in here, back in the box, because I don't think that actually goes to anything. And I don't know if that blue thing does either. This blue thing here. It's just a giant guitar pick cut out of blue fabric. That shouldn't go on anything. I don't think it has blue on any of it. Look at this. This is the top. So the shirt thingy has a lot of ties on it, but yeah, okay, so yeah, they did this one really well. Ooh, I like that. And it fits. I mean, it's big, but I ordered it big. That was the whole point. And it's supposed to be big. The sleeves are what I wanted. I wanted it exactly this length so that when I hold my hand out, my fingers don't peek through. I wanted it longer than my hand, so it is. And I wanted the shoulders off the shoulder, so they are. I mean, it could be a little better, but I'm not gonna complain for what it is. It looks, you'd be hard pressed to say that this looks bad. It's definitely iron on, so I gotta be careful. Oh, wow. No, is that sewn on? No, it is ironed on. The red here, this red that covers the back of the shoulder, that's sewn on. And then the rest is ironed on, so I just gotta be careful. But yeah, no, I like that. That works out well. I don't know what the ties are for yet. I think that's to hold the big thing on, the thing that goes over his right shoulder. So now we're moving on to the big bag. It just looks like a trash bag, but whatever. So, oh yeah, there's the big thingamabob. Oh yeah, there's a thing on here to tie it. So this would go like this, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. That's exactly how I wanted it. That seems to be the right size too. Okay, on to the waist thing. It's the black waist piece that the shoulder and the front will go onto. Doesn't look like I got a back piece though. So that kind of sucks. I have to make that too, because the piece that goes over the shoulder would have Velcroed to the inside of this, and then Velcroed to the back. But I don't have that piece. Maybe it's on this. I'll see what happens. Okay, that's actually not bad. It's a really good vinyl, actually. I'll need to carefully iron it out, but it's not a bad vinyl. It's actually really nice. So let me see if it fits now. I don't know which way it's supposed to go. This way. And they gave me one shoulder strap. Oh, they have the armor going into this. Oh, no, no? Thought there was another strap, but there's not. It shows Velcro. There's Velcro in here and Velcro in the back, which is where the thing would go. So yeah, this zips up on the side, and I can just try this now. It's probably not gonna fit, but hey, it might fit. This is really hard to zip up, actually. So at the convention, I'm probably gonna have somebody else help me with this because I cannot do this right. Okay, I mean, it's big, but it fits. So I'll probably put the other, I don't know if I'd put another strap on this. And then pants are gonna be fine. They're just pants. I've made pants like this before. That waist looks small enough that it'll stretch and hold on to me. That's fine. I don't even need to try that. So looks like I can just actually keep this zipped up, slip right into it. So that works. And then put this piece on there. Okay, yeah, I can see this working out. So take the plastic off of the tassels there. Oh, my garbage is on the other side of the room. I don't know why I put it over there. Anyway, I'll be right back, and I'm gonna put everything on that I can and figure that out. Alright, so here's the costume on me. This is with the armor that it came with, even though I don't like it because I'm going to remake it. I'm going to actually probably remake this too. Depends though, I don't know. Remaking these spikes is going to be hard. I might just tear these off and use them on a new one because I don't think I can make these, and they're all fine. I think only one of them, like in the back, is messed up, but that's the back, nobody cares. Also, this isn't attached. So there's a ribbon on this part of my collar and a ribbon on the underside of this thingy, and you're supposed to tie them together to keep it on. For the sake of the video, I didn't do that because I want to be able to take it off real quick when I'm alone. So yeah, I did that. I also had somebody help me put like the armor on because there's Velcro in the back and stuff, and then also the clear straps I was talking about, yeah, they go to the black thing, this black thing. There's a white loop of the, where is it, whatever, there's the strap that I was talking about. There's a small version of that. It's actually, I think it's elastic, maybe, I'm not even sure, but there's a loop inside this side of it, and the straps you just put in there on the front and back, and then it's adjustable. So that's pretty cool. I'm probably going to replace that with regular straps, and then I'm gonna move away from the microphone, but you can't really see too much. But yeah, so I actually really like this. This is worth every penny as far as I'm concerned. It would have been nice to be cheaper because this is just painted on. I can feel it's stiff and painted. But that might be good because the fabric they use isn't really that stiff. So it folds and creases a lot and all that kind of stuff. And using paint on it makes it not do that anymore. It stiffens it up and makes it so it doesn't like droop or whatever. Like, this is actually doing really well, but I think this paint up here is making it so that this side doesn't droop as much. And then this obviously is making it so it doesn't. And then this thing keeps it wide open so you can see the whole thing. That's pretty cool. And yes, the pants fit fine. I don't have to alter them at all, so that's good. I thought I was gonna have to put like better elastic in it or something or whatever. I might have to make them higher, but I don't think so. Like on the legs, like cut them shorter basically. But I don't think I do. Okay, this is getting heavy. I don't want to carry that around for this video. Yeah, so also I have a wig. I've had this wig for a while now. If you guys have seen my past videos, which you probably haven't because they have almost no views on them because who cares? I don't even like the videos. I did a Summoner's War costume build where I went to go look for it. It's all over here, but it's all buried under stuff and I don't want to go through that. But this wig was for that costume. Just so happens to be exactly the same thing I need for this one. So I don't have to buy another one. That works for me. But yeah, so I would recommend buying this one. I will link it in the description below, and I'll show you the picture right here of the ad, or the picture that's on the listing. And you can see, other than probably the shipping department, or the shipping company, I should say, doing this, making this all not good anymore, that could have been them because the box was a little squished on the sides, and this looked like it was near the bottom. So, and that looks like it was squished a little bit. That could have caused that. I don't know. But regardless, I feel I did at least get my money's worth in that this part, the shirt, whatever, the kimono top piece alone for a commissioner was going to be no less than $600. And I paid, they gave me a coupon, which actually I should tell you how to do that. Put an item in your cart. Just add an item to your cart, go to the checkout page, do a little bit of stuff on there, don't check out. Leave the page. Make sure you have an account though, and then sign in and do all that, like sign on to their site and do all that stuff, and then add everything and go through it a little bit. Just don't click the checkout thing and then leave the page. They sent me an email with a 15% off code. They're like, hey, we see you left something in your cart. Take this code on us and use it to buy your costume with, to help buy your costume. Yeah, so I used that. It made it go down quite a bit. 15% is quite a bit of $400. So This with shipping was $413, I think. And then with the 15% off, I think it was around $380. I'm not 100%. I'd have to look and see, but yeah. And also, if you're doing this now during the pandemic, probably not a good idea to do it on your credit card or your debit card. Do PayPal, because like my bank, and I know my parents' bank and my brother's bank, I think, and maybe even Atlas and his brother's bank, that as far as I know, I believe it's true, they block overseas for right now because of COVID. So overseas buying, you can't get, it'll trigger fraud or whatever, because they don't want you doing that right now. So just add it to your PayPal and then pay that way, because that works just fine. Thought that was a loose thread. Nope, that was fur. Oh well, it's because I'm over here on this thing. It'll happen. But that thing's gonna shed like crazy at con, which is gonna suck, but whatever. I might spray it with some hairspray and then like tease it a little bit to make it look nicer, because it just looks like fur laying on a thing, which is, I mean, that's what it is, but that's what it looks like. So I might tease it to give it some texture, make it look good in photos. I don't know. Anyway, that is gonna be it for this video. So if you like it, go ahead and give it that thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later.